Hello and welcome to the MedTech Expo here at the NEC in Birmingham. Today, just going to introduce you to a new product we have here on the stand from DWIN. Coming a little bit closer and you'll be able to see the selection of DWIN products we have in these cases here today. So these are Smart UART displays. So effectively these are TFT displays with touchscreens, but they have an embedded UART controller. So what that means is you can have all of the intelligence built inside the display. So you can take a relatively simple piece of equipment, for example, a coffee machine, and allow a completely graphical interface using a TFT without the need for complex electronics. So these displays, if you take a little bit look closer at this one, this is a 15-inch, for example, has a custom UART built onto the board at the back, simple LVDS to the display, and the connection back to your microcontroller would just be a 485 or 232 connection. All of the intelligence is built into the UART, so you just simply program the UART with your storyboard, with your interface, which we have a software to enable you to simply do that, and then you can trigger the interface either through the touchscreen, as I'm doing here, or via RS-232 commands from the microcontroller. It's a lovely selection of screens that DWIN have in all different shapes and sizes, from the very big 15-inch all the way through to the much smaller displays, including the circles. If you come a little closer, you'll see we have a 3.4-inch circle here with touch, again all running from this UART platform. We also have the rotary display as well as the UART displays. We also have the Android version. So effectively it's a similar situation where you have a board embedded on the back of the display. This is another UART one with Android built in. So you have a complete operating system, and you can either put Android on it or you can have a Linux operating system as well. So a full selection of displays for intelligent use, enabling you to have very simple and sophisticated information on your machine without over engineering the electronics. If you'd like more information, please use the links below and we'll help you out. Thank you.